Talking cancer today for the edition of The Law and You. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli are here. Guys, nice to see you today.
Good to see you.
Great to be here.
All right. Excitement over there is abound. But anyway, we'll get to the question here involving cancer. This is from Mark in Waverly. I had cancer 10 years ago and had surgery. For the last 10 years, I had back pain, and my doctor kept telling me that it was a pulled muscle. I got a new doctor with my new job, and he immediately sent me for tests. I now found out that I have stage 3 lung cancer. I want to sue my old doctor. Can I? What could Mark and Waverly do here in this situation?
Well, Mark, you know, we handle a lot of cases like this. First thing that you're going to need to do, you're going to go and need to get your records from your old doctor for the last 10 years. After you get those records, we can then take a look at them or you know, any attorney that specializes in this and analyze them, because what you're going to need to prove is that you were misdiagnosed, and that misdiagnosis has limited your treatment options. Very simply, if your doctor, your old doctor would have made the diagnosis earlier, that your chance for survival and your treatment options would be different than they are right now. So that's what you could do. I mean, that's kind of, in a nutshell, what the case would be, would be about.
And a lot's going to come down to what's in the records. Obviously, 10 years has elapsed, and we're going to have to look back and see when and if there was any complaints that match what you're having now that could lead to the complaints of the lung cancer. So a lot's going to have to be done on the case. So that means the records are going to have to be reviewed. They're going to have to be reviewed by a medical expert who will make an opinion whether or not the case has what's called merit, and then they have to file what's called a certificate of merit to allow the attorneys to file suit. So there's a lot of work to be done when these happen, so it's very, very important that you get to a law firm that specializes in this type of work. Very complex.
I know you guys are spending your spring cleaning time dusting off all the awards in your office, so our viewers that may need your legal advice, how can they reach you guys?
They can call us at 570-714-HURT or see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Can we start bringing all the awards and put them on the table?
The problem is we won't be able to see you guys. That's the issue.
Yeah. Or go to our Facebook page. If you have a question, and remember, any questions like the cancer case, if you want to talk to us, it's all confidential. So, put a question on our page, and we'll do our best to answer on an upcoming segment.
All right, results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, thanks so much.
Thanks for having us.
PAHomepage.com or the hotline. You're quizzed to get a question featured on The Law and You.